This is Won't Stop Now by Elevation Worship in the original key of A. Doing my best to combine all the guitar parts here that are relevant and prominent in the song, as well as trying to cop the synth part a little bit. So if you are one guitar player trying to play this song and you don't have a synth player, this is a way that you could approach it and try to get all those prominent parts in there in a way that makes sense. If you have a synth player that can cop that big synth tone, then you can probably dial back the effects a little bit that I'm using there. But this is just an idea for you to kind of melt those guitar parts together. The tabs and tones video for this song is available at guitarforhisglory.com. That's going to show you the tablature for the song in real time. It's going to break down the parts for you at the very end of the video, as well as break down the tone building process for these parts in Won't Stop Now by Elevation Worship. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you want to check out that video, head over to guitarforhisglory.com. We'll see you in the next one.
Intro. guitarists.